Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, Tasha, go back to your place. What do you want to receive first? A big one or a small one?
Big one.
Okay, how about you? Small one? Okay. This
I
is
hope-
for Tasho, big one, and this is for Sergio.
I hope it was
Open nga.
a chocolate star.
Oh, you hope it's a chocolate star? Okay. Let's see, we'll find out. Open it, Kuya. Open it. Yes, like that. You rip it.
Oh, it was just Roblox. Wow, that's what I received. Roblox toys.
Wow, do you like it?
Yes.
Oh, same. Same with Sergio.
Sergio also got a Roblox. Cool.
But no new.
Oh, wait lang. Sinira. Ano, tumalsik.
But no new.
No new. No noob yan. All of those are ano.
Oh. Is that? I hope I will get that one.
Which one? Oh, wait. There's one more. There's one more gift. Should I give it now? Or sige, you play with... Up. You already have your big one, so now you will receive a small one. Sergio got the small one, so he will now receive a big one. Wait lang everyone, nagre-record kami. Say hi sa video.
Ay! Roblox! Roblox!
Sit down.
Ano my
Do you like that one, Sir Tasho?
Wow! Ate, making. Oh my God. 5.
Hindi na mix and match.
Kay Tasho, parang hindi.
Ito.
Okay, next.
Up muna kayo, kuya. Hindi, nag-iisip lang ako ka to.
Next one.
Ito.
Now, Sergio will have the big box and Tasha will have the small box. Okay?
Miya na siya. Roblox.
Oh, sit down.
Ikaw, Sergio.
Yay!
Sit down. You want mommy?
Oh.
Open this box properly.
I'll help you.
What's that? No.
Gusto lang ano, Jetix.
Yeah!
Pull it out.
Sergio, that's Kuya. Kaya si Kuya kay Kuya Tasho. This one is yours, Sergio.
Whoa.
Remember yung ginawa mo sa Minecraft, ipupush mo yung likod yan, ganyan.
Yeah! Amin na tita.
Ang maganda siya, ano yung dessert.
Ito.
Yes. Hindi nga daw
I
yan
can
yung...
mix and match it.
Up.
Oh, so mix
This is
it.
yours, Sergio. This is yours.
I can mix and match it. Look this. I can mix and match it.
Wait lang yung gift. Next.
What?
I'll give na yung next gift. You can mix and match them.
Bigger. Bigger din?
No. Gawa na mix and match na. Tinanggal niya na yung braso agad.
Ito din? Niya.
Minix and match agad ni Kuya.
Bigyan kami per character.
Can I try? No.
Can you mix and match it?
Yeah, if you want it. You can mix and match.
As a practice.
Alright, next toy. Ay, next gift.
Next
Yeah.
gift.
Niya bigger.
Sit down.
Sit down lang, sit down.
Sit down na.
Guys, ano?
Balik muna natin. Sit muna natin.
Niya bigger. Ito pa, oh, tita. Niya bigger. Ito na, oh. Oy, klase yung bigger.
Wala kasi kami ano. Sila lang nabilhan namin. Pero ako. Saan kanino kamay ito? Sit down na. Mag-sit down na. I'll give the bigger one. Next. Sit down, Kuya Seryo. Sit
Wow, ang
down.
gaganda ng character na yan ah.
Okay, next.
Uy,
The next one naman ay Seryo will have the Seryo will get the bigger one and then Tasha will get the smaller. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Ready? Up.
open the bigger.
Sit down, Seryo. Sit.
Not my bigger.
Seryo,
Oo nga
sit
po,
down.
kaya nga mag-wake up.
Bigger one.
This is for Tasha and this is for
Toys.
Seryo.
Yay!
Open.
Minecraft or Roblox ulit.
Dito ka mag-open, dito ka mag-open.
That's funky.
Show it to the video.
Hello, would you like to have some fun with
Ah,
well done?
Wow, fun.
Yes, it's two to go.
Oh, there's more, Tasha, there's more.
Ito pa! Would you like to have some fun? Wala si Wesla.
Wala yan. Baby pa naman.
What is it, Frankie?
This one po, Seryo. Ay, Tasha, oh.
Something along with... Oh.
Dito kayo na.
Show mo sa camera yung ano.
Hello.
It's funky picture.
These are stickers.
Stickers yan. You want to give them some?
You
Yes.
share your stickers to everyone.
Yes, I want to... I put them, tita. I want...
Give mo sila sabi.
Give mo stickers sila, sabi, ha? Oh, open mo mami yung sticker. May stickers naman ko eh. Kasi marami talaga.
Sinolo na siya.
Oh, Tasha,
Tasha,
oh.
you give them the Frankie stickers. Ang dami naman yan.
Ang dami nga yan. Share mo yung iba.
Also, this horror one. I want this one. I saw it, the horror one. I want cut
There's
this
a horror
one.
one. This one is... Ay!
This one is
Kain na
the
lang.
horror
Kain na
one.
lang.
This one. This one is the horror one too.
Yeah.
This one's
I
fun.
think
This
kompleto
one
naman siya, kuya.
This one is the
Dahil na yung gift namin sa
See,
inyo.
very
stickers.
big. Oh. Look at Sprungy see one.
Okay, we have Simon. We have Oren.
Well,
Oh, I have the ano, the scary one of oh.
Eh,
And then we have
Who's
this is
Oh, Jevin. Oh no, it's this. No.
Jevin.
Nada.
Let's complete them first.
No.
Ready, we have ready. We have Tanner.
Opo.
We have
Share mo lang.
orange.
Watch,
Oh,
look lang.
We
Tanner.
have the sun.
Also, Tanner has a smiling.
We have Vineria.
Oh, a smiling Tanner.
Oh, this one is standard that is not smiling.
That's Tanner, bro. Is it what? Whoa! This one is Tanner. What the thing? This one. Whoa! What is this Tanner?
Oh, we have Wenda.
What is this Tanner?
That's Tanner too, and he's smiling here.
I'm in.
This is Gray.
Ito, but it's
Having a baby. What? This
Which
is
one do you want to
Wenda.
use first?
Ay!
Oh.
Mami, may small gun tsaka big gun sa Seryo.
Hey!
Which one do you want to use first?
Can you put the sticker top of the room?
Which one do you want to
Oh
use?
no, you can only put the stickers in your table. Like before. But don't put it all
The small gun or
at the
big
same
gun?
time, ha? Oh, this is the scary Wenda.
What? Look, tita!
Oh, here, we got it. The other one.
Ikaw mo, tita.
Ayan
Oh,
yung brown.
Oh.
Oh, wait, I'll collect some of them.
Oh, that is... Tita!
Tita!
This... Whoa has no missing person.
Oh, what does that mean?
Ito lang.
Wait lang ha, kakollect ko lang muna yung mga ano, yung mga normal.
This one, no?
Sino to?
Clocker.
Kinakasa siya, mami. Hindi siya automatic.
Oh, yun
Seryo
lang.
dito.
Mahirap yung kasa.
Hindi
Frankie.
naman.
Tita.
Cash mo dito.
Oh, this one was
Tita,
meron akong
Mr.
Black dito.
Hold it.
This
Pero
one
ako.
was drawing.
Ah, ito pala si Mr. Black. Oh, no.
Then si Mr. Black.
That's a
This
drawing.
one was drawing. A Reese.
And then,
This one was drawing.
nasa na yung si
This
Wenda.
one was
Drawing.
Ayun,
drawing.
ayun, akin yan.
Think about Reese.
Wow.
Oh,
Sino
they're
pa ko ito?
having a date.
Saka si Wenda.
What? That's the Ontario.
Si Wenda nawawala.
Wenda. There's no Wenda.
Mag-iisa lang yun. Isang Wenda na normal at isang Wenda na scary. Baka nandito kay Sabi. Can I check Kuya Sabi?
Sabi, ang dami niyan eh. No, this is mine. Oh, it's mine. To walk. Ito.
Look lang. Look muna kayo. Look. Bago kayo mag-ano.
Ayan na.
Sinira mo agad yan.
Ito sa'yo. Ito sa'yo.
Kasi isa pinakakinakatutuwa niya yung mga karton. Gusto colored.
Meron ka ng Garnold. Wow!
Ano yung tsura? Ay, wala. Parang yun lang ang garlic. Teka lang ah.
Basta
Ano ba yan?
kung
Ano ba yun?
Kuya. Oh,
Ito ba yun?
Wow.
Ano ba yun?
Oh no!
Wala.
It's Frankie! Tika mo!
Wala ko
Can,
kasha.
can you,
This is all yours. I'm
Meron kang
collecting
tanner?
them. Meron akong tanner na legit.
ito pa, tita!
Ito,
Ito pa.
Hindi. Okay na ako. Okay na ako dyan. Dito yan sa inyo yan.
Ito pa sa...
Ito. Sino to?
Green!
May green na ba ako? Wala pa ako ito.
Mami, hindi ka sa pala siya. Kalrani na duwa.
Pero kailangan ko bigas yan.
No shooting people. Shoot the target.
Hindi to si Gray, di ba? Iba to. Kuya Johan.
No, shoot the target. Saka malakas yung
Asyo!
Oh my God, masakit siya. Masakit siya pag tumama.
Parang scotch tape. May scotch tape pa dyan.
These are yours, Kuya Tasha.
May scotch tape ka mo yun.
Asyo na!
That's,
Ala!
Tasha, give mo na yun sa kanila.
Give me the time.
Oo.
Give me the tamon. Give me the tamon.
We're going to put the sticker.
What? It's a gray! Tita!
May bagyo.
Tika mo!
It's Wenda.
Can you remove this sticker? Mama, Wenda!
Saan mo ilalagay ang mga stickers mo kuya sa mga notebook mo?
Cellphone ko.
No,
Cellphone ko.
Oh.
sa mga notebook mo.
Ako din na cellphone ko.
Kung
No,
hindi ka sa
maybe,
pala siya, di natin na ba?
maybe this
Ganun
one
nakalagay,
is
high
funny.
tension internal spring.
Ito pa, tita.
Wala naman sinabi.
Hirap din to automatic.
Tita,
body
may
kasi.
Derpol ka na?
Tsaka 6 plus ages.
Ano yung tsura nun?
Purple siya.
I think meron. Hindi mahirap na yung pagbibigkas kasi mauubos lagi.
You like your plush?
Yes.
Kumakata kanina po
I
eh.
want this.
Say, thank you God.
Thank you, God.
Ah, here you go. It's sticky
Happy
na.
birthday God. Saan nalagay? Oh, sino nagpunit?
Ako din, tita.
Napunit. Yo, Del, ano sa'yo?
Wala, gagawin mo siya yung target.
Meron ba yung puno?
Meron.
Meron ako ng puno.
Can you target?
Wow, siya.
Wala ka pang Derpol?
Purple?
Derpol.
Ano yung tsura nun?
Hindi, kasa mo lang
Ito,
yun.
purple.
Hindi.
Kaya mo ba yung kasa?
Ah, iba ba yan?
Yes.
Ano yung tsura nung, ba't hindi siya pink?
Oh! Ay! Oh, what?
Alin, Bebe? Black.
Black?
Ang pangalan ng black?
Mr. Black.
Mr. Black, si Gray.
Eh,
Ito ko talaga eh.
Ito,
Nakawala yung mga kala
Uy,
mo.
Gusto ko yung legit.
Oy, yan!
Ay, hindi ko na naman.
Ito!
Basta ko sa'yo,
Meron pa ng
baka-
wax.
Look.
Green?
Yeah, green.
Oh, kuya, wait lang. This is yours.
What?
Wala. O, yan na lang. Teka, wala ko ng purple. Actually, this is yours. Dito ka kumuha sa iba. Dito ka kumuha sa nakasilapag. Ito yung collectibles. Ito. Ano ka ito?
Ding dong, hirap, tsaka kokilay, dedang. It's blood! Give me the blood! It's a blood!
The baby!
Wala. Walang gift yan. Wala ka dyan.
Oh, baby, walang gift.
Wala na
Fanny.
That's Oren and Tanner. Sorry, Vicky.
Noise or what? Orange. Ding dong.
Lagay ka naman na to sa ilo.
Oh,
Ito, laki.
ginawang target shooting ni Sergio.
Tasyo. Kasi scary version daw siya ni Owax. Nagugutom na ako, boy.
Para,
Kanino gift yan?
wala akong Simon.
Sa kanila.
Meron
Meron ako Simon, meron ako Simon.
Kuya!
Meron dyan Simon na scary ah. Scary Simon, meron.
Ayun ang sabi meron. No! No!
Grabe ka naman sa toy sa gift ko. Inaway mo naman yung gift ko.
Ganito yung tsura ni Darpol, o tita.
Ano yan?
Ganito yung tsura ni Darpol.
Para sa mga bata lahat yan.
So, ano siya?
Hey, bro! Meron ka ng bread?
Ano kulay?
Brown.
Wala.
Ano sa kanila?
Bro.
Wala nga kaming gift eh. Kaya stickers na lang. Yung stickers ng Spranky na
Si
lang. sa
baby?
kanya. Wala la. Luyaw. Wala ka dyan. Baby pa yan.
Sponsored to ng mga ninang.
Yung mga kala. Kasi mga kala.
Tita Marie, tulog po. May gift kayo eh.
Hintayin niya si Tita Marel.
Nak, mauubos lahat yung bala mo na yun. Isang
One at a
araw lang.
time lang, anak.
Okay, ganyan lang. Okay na yan. 3 lang. 3 only.
Kaya laruin niyo yung...
Baby! Walang gift! Wala siyang ina-open na gift.
Gutom na ako bigla.
Kung may nerf ka dyan, sabi.
Mine. That's mine. That's mine.
Ano yung nerf mo? Pink.
Ano yun na? Wag na yan. These are collectibles.
Ito kasyo. Kasyo, ayun.
Kaya nga natin binili yun eh. Para
Hindi yung
paglaruan nila.
stickers. Tinabi ko kasi yun yung mga legit na ano.
Hey!
Kinolect ako for him. Pwede na
Oh,
nasarin mo na yung mga hindi.
Yan sa'yo, be. Open mo na lang yan, be.
Yeah.
Yan.
Kakainin niya na. Kakainin
Oy.
niya. May ganito pa pala naka-record to.
Ganyan lang sila.
Merry Christmas.